Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are enjoying life or life is enjoying you. It is Nyanpeet's endeavor to simplify complex concepts for our viewers, and today we are discussing supply chain management. Before we take a plunge into the topic, we have a task for you. Viewers, plan a treat for 100 people. Everyone must get food they want and you cannot run out. Your budget is rupees 10,000. Now plan and execute. You will automatically end up using principles in supply chain management for executing this task. As per Elon Musk, the supply chain stuff is really tricky. And he's right. The supply chain stuff is not only tricky but also critical, as nowadays it's not the organizations that are competing but their supply chains are competing with each other. Okay, is supply chain management easy or complex to understand? We would say it is both. Supply chain management is simple when it is broken into small pieces, but breaking it into understandable small pieces can be a difficult part. Supply chain management is the management of flow of goods and services, and it includes all the processes that transform raw materials into final products. It is basically streamlining business supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain competitive advantage in the marketplace. Now we will see what are the processes involved in supply chain management. SCOR model. To understand these processes, we have to see what is SCOR model. Supply Chain Operations Reference model has been developed and endorsed by Supply Chain Council as the cross-industry standard for supply chain management. SCOR methodology assumes that all the supply chain processes can be divided into 5 categories. First, plan. Second, source. Third, make. Fourth, deliver, and fifth, return. Let's understand. What is plan? These are the processes balancing aggregate demand and supply to develop an action plan which best meets the established business rules. Source. These are the processes that procure goods and services to meet planned or actual demand. Dear viewers, please check out our video on procurement to understand more about sourcing processes of supply chain management. Link is given in the description. What is make? These are the process transforming raw material into finished goods to meet planned or actual demand. Fourth, deliver. These are the processes providing finished goods and services to meet planned and actual demand, typically including order management, transportation management, and distribution management. Fifth, return. Return is nothing but reverse logistic process. Example can be product recall, warranties, and rejections. After understanding the process involved, let us understand 3 major flows in supply chain management. Yes, it's all about managing material or product flow, information flow, and financial flow. So let's understand what is material or product flow. This is the flow of physical products from suppliers all the way down to customers. This is mostly unidirectional, that is, it mostly flows from suppliers to customers. Why are we emphasizing on the word mostly? Do write in the comment box. Second is information flow. It is bidirectional as information flows from suppliers to customers and also from customer back to suppliers. Third, financial flow. This involves movement of money from customer to suppliers. Now let's understand what is logistic versus supply chain management. It is a misconception that logistic and supply chain management is one and the same. Logistic involves moving goods from one point to another, while SCM is an umbrella term used to describe an entire business philosophy encompassing all internal and external supply chain processes, including logistics. Still scratching your head? Okay. Let's check out the processes involved in logistics and SCM to understand the difference. What is logistics? It includes inbound and outbound transportation, warehousing, distribution, and packaging. What is supply chain management? It includes demand planning, procurement, supply planning, inventory management, manufacturing, and enterprise resource planning. Hope by now you must have got the fair idea about SCM. This topic is vast and it is really difficult to touch all the finer nuances in a single video. However, we will be creating the videos on most of the supply chain topics like inventory management, manufacturing strategies, negotiations, demand management in near future. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel Nyanpeet. Enjoy life. Thank you very much.